Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to reverse a string using JavaScript. So let's get started. Function, function name, parameter, then curly bracket. We will write variable name equal to parameter dot spelled. By using this method, we will spell the string into array. You can if you want to spell a word, then you have to give a space between this. Otherwise, if you want to spell a letter, then without space we can use first variable name, which is rev1 dot reverse is a method. Then you will create another variable that is reverse 3 equal to reverse 2 dot join. Then we will write return reverse 3. Here we will write print the value using console.log. Console.log function name, which is reverse 1. Then parameter, here we will pass an argument. This hello. So let me explain it once again. So spelt is used to spelt the letter or word. This is a method which is used to spell the letter or word. And reverse is used to reverse the now what we can say word. Join method is used to join the letters or word. So in this scenario, we can't split, means this is a string. So we can't split a string. So first we have to convert a string into array. So for that, I've used a split to reverse a string. We used reverse method. To join the string, we have used join method. And after that, I have returned this reverse 3 variable. So let's see the output. Wait a minute. It's not printing. It's not save. Yes, only. Suppose if I will not write this one. Wait a minute. Let reverse 3. Suppose I will print this, then see. 6, 4. You can see this is converted into array. So to convert into string, we used join method. It's not save, I think so. Save. It's safe, but we have not written release the. So this, yeah, that's all. So hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.